Good morning, middle school science teachers. Yesterday we talked about diagramming chemical equations when you're just starting to teach how to balance chemical equations, which, by the way, is not the easiest thing on the planet. So after they do all the diagramming that I talked about yesterday, they would then move on to starting to balance equations. And the way I teach it is with an inventory method, where they literally have to, before any coefficients are even thought about, they have to go through and say, what do we have? What ingredients did we start with? And then once they have it laid out, they start seeing common denominators. Oh, look at that. You have a 2 and a 3. Okay, now we can do a 6. And it starts to become more apparent. And you can gradually wean them off of this process, but some of my kids never wean off. They just like to stay on this kind of thing. It's almost like doing the proofs in geometry that we did way back when in the dark ages. And by the way, if you're doing this, you should be sprinkling it in with labs, with chemical reactions, such as even baking soda and vinegar, and actually showing them the equation. An egg in vinegar, showing them the equation. Photosynthesis, showing them the equation. So it's not so math class. It doesn't feel like it's such a math class. And then it starts to click in their minds, is that we're not just a bunch of letters and numbers on a paper for day after day as we're trying to learn this. Oh, this is actually happening with the stuff that's in my hands. So I sprinkle that all in as we're learning these, and as we do a reaction, we find out how to do the actual balancing of the equation of it. So that's very useful. This is on my Teachers Pay Teacher store, Science by Sinai. Have a great day.